Jeez! Excuse me, sir. I'm not supposed to hit on top. Ooh, little one hit it. God, got him that time. Oh no! Beautiful. Beautiful, Brandy. Pretty. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Pens right now. Did a little bit of fishing on my way here. Not to the spot that I want to fish, but I don't think I'll have time to walk there because it's kind of far. And I'm already out of breath. So, yeah, Penn's Creek. I started out with a junior and then went to an X80 because the junior was acting funny. So, caught 1.5 like 2.5 so far. One got off at the net. Decent brown. Upstream a little bit. And yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy. Let's catch some fish. Oh yeah, that's a decent fish too. Oh, did you get all tangled up? I'm sorry, buddy. Yeah, that's all right. Oh, I'm sorry, buddy. Good fish, though. Okay. I need a new net. Apparently new waders, too. Oh, jeez. Oh, first fish, though. Like, how does that happen in that short amount of time? Oh, got smoked. Oh, that was a good fish. Okay. Jeez! Excuse me, sir. I'm not supposed to hit on top. Oh, they're being extra aggressive today, which is good. Good content for you and me. I get to catch fish, you get to watch me catch fish. Except I'm the one in the rain all day, I guess. Oh, something rolled on it. Yeah. Ooh. That guy falling to clean out of the water almost. Oh, great. Oh, that was a good fish too. Just an X80, a little bit fatter, shorter profile basically. And then the junior, that was big. That was a nice rise. Outlandish colors. So I think this is table rock. So purple, chartreuse, all the fancy colors. Yeah, changed it because the junior wasn't working right for whatever reason. Like, not like how it normally does, so I don't know if I broke the lip already, which is a possibility for how I fish it. About the halfway point where I want to actually start fishing, so little fish break, little fishy break. Oh, ow. Ooh, yeah, something swiped at it. Yep, got him. I thought I saw something swipe at it. Oh, there he goes. Okay, maybe you're just bad. Maybe you're just bad at fishing. Ooh. Someone swiped at it, right? Ooh, little one hit it. God, got him that time. Oh no! This is a good fish. It's hiding right underneath that rock. Structure, structure, structure. Oh, something slammed it. I was just throwing it out there to play around. I got biggest brown of the day so far. Beautiful fish. Okay, okay. Calm down, little girl. Beautiful. Come here. Ah! No, not the my hole. Why are you so sleepy? No. Beautiful. Hopefully you guys could see that. She kind of like slimed the camera. It's kind of funny. Oh. Something little, I guess. Try and cross those riffles here. Oh. Oh, that's a good fish too. Oh, they miss it. Oh, they missed it a little bit. He missed it. Oh, that's a good fish too. The drag wasn't set. Hey, where are you? There we go. Ah, nice brownie. Get this fucking thing off. There we go. Beautiful brownie. Pretty. My drag wasn't set, so he was just kind of bullying me for a little bit. Hello everyone, some post-editing commentary. Lost like an hour of footage while I was on pens, and lost a lot of footage from Clarion River. But I'm going to throw in the big browns that I caught in Clarion River. Thank you for watching. Got him. Woo! That's a good fish. Where you at, Nat? Oh, try to get a picture of him. He went right into my hole I have in my net. Oh, woo-hoo. He hit it right in front of me. Come on. Okay.